I made an inspection on one of my trailers and I found out there's a crack on my roof. So come with me, guys, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix it for 10 to 20 minutes. That's the tape I'm using. You can find it in any Walmart or truck stops. It's between $10 and $15. Let's go ahead and start fixing the roof. Jump over here and let's show how we're gonna fix the roof. Here I am on the top of my trailer roof. Actually, it's pretty beautiful here. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to them. I'm just gonna have some more sunbath here. Just joking, guys. Okay, once we are here, and that's what's the situation in my roof, I need definitely to be patched. I need to clean and level a little bit with my hammer, but first I'm gonna level it and then I'm gonna clean it out, and then I'm gonna start patching with the tape I showed you before. Yeah, it's a crack from before. And once we are done here, we're gonna go underneath, actually inside the trailer, and we're gonna patch the crack there as well. Yeah, it's a bad crack for sure. That tape, it's really good. I mean, it's a roof tape. It's not invented for trailers like ours, but you can use it for your RV as well. Let's not make messy underneath, because then I'm gonna need to clean it out. I'm already back on my trailer with all the necessary tools, and that's the equipment I'm gonna use for that crack I need to patch today. So we need a piece of metal, we need to measure and cut it, we need a glue, and those are the rest of the tools I'm gonna use for fixing my crack on my trailer. one on the top of the chair. So I'm gonna take off my hair off my way. So yeah, there's a tube of epoxy or a glue, and we're gonna put all over the place before taking the piece on top of the crack. Yeah, I thought it's gonna be a quick fix and it's gonna take not gonna take more than 10 minutes, but actually it turned out that it's gonna take more than 30 to an hour. Okay. I wasn't prepared for such a long time on my roof, but it is what it is, right? With my drill I'm gonna make some holes, and then with my rivets I'm gonna patch as well. The same, we're gonna do it on the bottom, on the other side, on the bottom of the the trailer as well. Make sure it's the right size for the rivets, because then you're not gonna make the job twice. Here we go. So my mistake for the rest of the job, for those 2 or 3 holes, I'm using a smaller drill. And let's see. Oh, perfect. Let's see that. Who knew, right? And I'm continuing with the next step. Make sure you have the right rivet set. You have the rivets, and there are several sizes, and I'm gonna use the bigger one. Guys, I know that many of you you're gonna say here on the comments that's not probably the best way to do it, but that's actually how I'm doing it. It's gonna protect my wood from the rain or from the snow, and it's not gonna be any issues. Probably later I'm gonna go and fix it in one of my shops, but I need to save the wood. So, and actually not only the wood, I need to save this week, and that's the way I'm gonna do it and manage by myself. I think we need a bigger wood here. I'll later with that one. gonna save those. I don't wanna stick in my tires later when I take them out of the chamber here. And it's the final stage of the job. It could be fine as the way it is, but I'm gonna do some extra, just for extra protection. I already cut some tape of the aluminum tape I have, and I'm gonna patch all the edges like that. It will be nice to be a little bit more sunny and hot outside, but it's fine as the way it is. Just the tape to be really completely good on the surface. Totally recommended kind of tape, always to have it with you in your truck. Let's make it a little bit more beautiful. All professional. Harder on top of it. And I think we did a great job here. Yeah, it's completely done. Let's go and do the rest of the job inside the trailer. I think we did a good job here. Let's go on the meat of the trailer. We have more work to do. I don't know if you're on a truck stop or somewhere how you're gonna go over the top of the trailer, but it could be a way somehow. And because of one of my comments, I have why I'm always with sunglasses, because it's really sunny outside and I cannot see and I cannot work without my sunglasses. But here I'm going to show you that I'm not blind. Okay, that's the situation underneath my roof, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna fix it right now. We are almost done. You take my lamp and have some more patience with me, guys. We're on the final stage here. Be careful not to cut yourself. Observe the situation and start the tape and start patching. We're gonna need 3 pieces. Okay. Same size, but every situation is different, so I'm saying just what I need for my touch here. Don't push hard. Nobody wants you to get hurt. Just firm and slow and nice. Make sure you've covered everything. And the final piece is ready to be installed. Okay. And voila, we're done. And I'm really happy that I made it. And my saying, if I can make it, you all can do it. Perfect. Now we're safe. Our load is gonna be safe. And doesn't matter of the temperature outside. The fix, the quick fix, the way of my quick fix, it's done. Perfect.